Today, I am reviewing Amazon Fire Max 11 Tablet Productivity Bundle. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Amazon Fire Max 11 Tablet Productivity Bundle is a versatile device designed for both productivity and entertainment, offering a perfect balance between performance, style, and value. This bundle includes the Fire Max 11 tablet, a keyboard case, and a made-for-Amazon Stylus pen. Everything you need to work, create, and enjoy your day without compromise. Right from the start, the Fire Max 11 impresses with its vivid 11-inch display. With 2.4 million pixels and a resolution of 2000 by 1200, this screen delivers sharp and vibrant visuals whether you are streaming movies, playing games, reading ebooks, or editing documents. Amazon has also certified it for low blue light, making it easier on your eyes during extended use. This is especially valuable for people who work long hours or consume a lot of digital content. Performance-wise, the Fire Max 11 is powered by a robust octa-core processor combined with 4 GB of RAM and Wi-Fi 6 connectivity. This combination delivers smooth multitasking, fast streaming, and responsive gaming. Apps load quickly, videos play without stutter, and navigation feels fluid and responsive. For most daily tasks, whether it's productivity, casual gaming, or browsing the web, this tablet handles them with ease. The bundle's standout feature is the keyboard case. It transforms the Fire Max 11 into a productivity powerhouse, offering 15 pre-programmed shortcut keys and 2 customizable keys to speed up workflow. The built-in trackpad supports gestures, making navigation easier and more intuitive. If you're someone who needs a tablet for both work and play, this setup brings a laptop-like experience while keeping portability intact. Amazon even offers 3 months of Microsoft 365 Personal, providing tools like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint to enhance productivity. Creativity gets a boost with the made-for-Amazon Stylus pen, included in this bundle. Whether you're sketching, designing, taking notes, or marking up documents, the Stylus makes precision work effortless. The replaceable battery lasts up to 6 months, ensuring long-term use without frequent charging. This makes the Fire Max 11 a powerful option for students, professionals, or creative individuals who want a compact, flexible device. When it comes to entertainment, the Fire Max 11 doesn't disappoint. It offers 14 hours of battery life, letting you enjoy movies, music, games, or books all day without worrying about recharging. The tablet's storage starts at 64 GB, which is expandable up to 1 TB with a microSD card. That means you can keep thousands of apps, movies, photos, and documents right at your fingertips. The 8MP camera delivers clear video calling, making Zoom meetings and online classes easy and effective. This is especially handy for students and remote workers who rely on high-quality communication tools. Design-wise, the Fire Max 11 stands out with a slim, aluminum frame that feels premium yet durable. It features strengthened glass and is 3 times more durable than some competing tablets, according to Tumble tests. This durability makes it a reliable choice for everyday use, whether at home, in the office, or on the go. Families will also appreciate the built-in Amazon Kids feature, which offers parental controls, educational tools, and access to thousands of books, games, videos, and songs with an optional Amazon Kids Plus subscription. This makes the Fire Max 11 not only a powerful productivity tool, but also a great family device. Overall, the Amazon Fire Max 11 Tablet Productivity Bundle offers excellent value. It combines a bright, high-resolution display, reliable performance, long battery life, and creative tools in a stylish, durable package. Whether you want to boost your productivity, get creative with the Stylus, enjoy immersive entertainment, or keep the whole family engaged, the Fire Max 11 is a compelling option that delivers versatility without breaking the bank. If you're looking for a tablet that balances work and play while offering durability and productivity tools, the Fire Max 11 Productivity Bundle is certainly worth considering.